See this line, right? So in this, see, you understand this line, right? So df, it's a variable name. I give a index. So what it's actually doing here is, from the df in the wth column. Okay, the index is, so it will get only this particular index in this wth column, which is all greater than 0. Okay, so now whatever you are getting here is in the wth column, whichever satisfying this condition, it's actually getting here. So here the same thing. So what I am telling here is, 1 minute. I will just execute this in a different file, so only you can able to understand. So here is the now. So first I need to run this very first line. Okay. So now here, uh, see if I am, so I am giving df is greater than 0. Okay. So let's we first get the df. So df is greater than 0. You will get true or false value. So whichever greater than 0, you will be getting both things as a true, the remaining everything as a false. So you will be getting output like this. So now the same condition, if we are making it here in the index means, so df is greater than 0. See the output. So whichever greater than 0, apart from everything, you will be getting NaN values. So whichever true here, you will get that value. Remaining, whatever the false is there now, you will get a NaN there. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the very first thing you need to clear about. So the next thing is, when we are just simply going ahead with this thing now. So df the same. So now I am just giving from the df wth column, which is all greater than 0. You will be getting an output which is exactly like this. So now if I am making the same as a index, so you will be getting output for that only. So whatever satisfy this condition, you will get the output here. So in this wth column, whichever greater than 0. So here I having only 0.873, but still we are getting the same row. The reason is, like we didn't, it will give the complete row only because it won't give only the columns. So whatever is greater than 0, it will give the particular row completely. Okay, so that's why here you are getting some result like this, which is our greater than 0 in a W. So you will be getting all this complete row, but you are just applying only for the Wth row. You clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now what you are just going to do here is, here I am giving a y, it will check this condition in your y column. But still in our y column, everything is an NaN value. So you will be getting the C value. Probably this is the only one thing which we are having it now. 1 minute. In this y, it's taking something randomly and it's giving the answer for us. Okay. So what it's actually giving here now? So this condition values from this columns. Okay. See, you understand? So whatever true here. So for example, in this example, this W whatever true. So this is true and this is true and this is true and this is true. So the true rows you will get from this Y and Z. You understand? See here, the values whichever true for W which is ever greater than 0. So the same row values from Y and Z you will get. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
That's the thing here. So if you are giving only Y, so whatever rows is true in this W, you will get those values from this particular columns as well. So let me run it again because here we give a random output now. So now it will different. So now in W, I think this 3 thing is greater than 0, right? So if we are checking here, now your values will change. Now see, this 3 thing is true. So now when this 3 thing is true, now what will be the output for you? See, now this 3 thing is true in W. So this 3 rows, whatever true here, we will get from our Y and Z. If you are giving only Y, then you will get it from only Y. You understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yesterday we discussed about this set index, reset index, everything. Superb, you are clear about this. Now we need to start with handling the multi-index, multiple index. That's another important stuff. 1 minute, let's wait. I will just check with another person here needs to join. Okay, we will go. It's almost 15 minutes now. So now, okay, first we will start with the missing data. So missing data is another important one. So now what I'm just selecting this is I'm just framing one data frame. And for this data frame, what I done here is this all the columns. Like list ABCD means columns equal to list ABCD means this complete string will be converted to the list data type. So you will get ABCD column and 0, 1, 2, 3 as a row. So you will be get some output which is exactly like this. See, you are having a NaN, right? So this NaN are known as not a number value. Okay. So when you are handling the real data set, you used to get a NaN there as well. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to remove the NaN or you need to handle this NaN. So this steps are known as the data cleaning steps. Okay. So in the data cleaning means whenever you are having a NaN values, you need to change that values with some particular amount of things. So for that perspective, what we are going to do here is df dot drop now. Okay. So if I am giving a df dot drop now means the complete row whichever contains NaN that will be removed. See, the complete row whichever contains this NaN that is totally removed from the site from the row. So that's what your NaN is. Sorry, drop now function is. Okay. So in case this step is known as data cleaning step. So data cleaning means whatever you are having NaN values, you simply going to remove that NaN values. So your data is cleaning something. So apart from what you can able to do is you can able to go for a fill now. Fill now means you are going to fill with a particular value. So here I just give 5, right? So this 5 value will be replaced with all the NaN. So wherever this DF contains NaN, that NaN will be replaced with the 5. See, this kind of step will known as data transformation. So like where you are having one set of data, the particular set of data you are just transforming it to another set whichever you want to be. So this is what your fill now drop now function is. So the next thing is what we are actually going ahead with is a data frame. So the data frame, that is nothing but a kind of what to say, like the same fill now drop now function only. 1 minute. Yeah. So okay, you are having a multiple NaN value. So df dot drop now. See, df dot fill now. So whatever it contains the NaN values, it will be removed. So that's the thing I am trying to say here. Okay. So the next thing is, if I am giving df dot drop now axis equal 1 means, see, by default it's removing the row, right? But here it will remove your column. You understand? By default it's removing this row, but by default it will remove the column. Okay, so axis 0 means it's a row based, axis 1 means column based. That's what we discussed yesterday concept, right? So axis 1 means, so if it contains some NaN value in the particular column, it will remove this column and it will remove this column. So like this we can able to handle these things. So this is what your drop now fill now function is. So what next thing is, like we have this thresh. So this thresh is actually what it's going to do here is where you are having at least 2 non-NaN values. Okay, I will just explain this. So df dot drop now, if I am giving this, okay, first let me print this df dot drop now. So when we are just having this, see, when this drop now function is actually going to deal with something like, see, like if I am giving a thresh equal to 2, that means if it contains minimum 2 non-NaN values. So for example, when you are just simply giving a drop now function, it will remove all the NaN values rows like this. So it will remove this 1 and it will remove this 2 as well. But if I am giving a thresh 1, so that means it will consider if the particular row contains at least 2 non-NaN values. Okay, see, second row it contains only one non-NaN value. So non-NaN value means some value here. But the first row contains 2 non-NaN values. So still you will be getting this row here. So that's the reason we are having a thresh. Is this clear for you, Akash?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Akash. Akash, actually other two peoples are not joining today. So you will just to work out this Filna Drapna function itself for today. Tomorrow we will go with the multi-index.
Okay.
Because
Ma'am, what are
yeah, tell me.